So you want to scrape your and your competitors' ASINs and basically compare the BSRs over time. So stay tuned because you're here with Adrian at TimeMakers Lab. I just solved this after basically 50, 60 hours of coding with no and low code. And it's not easy, but you can achieve this with some scraper, Google Sheets, you have the ASINs, and then insert the data after it's been scraped. Sounds simple, but it's many extra simple steps. So let me show you how it works, okay? So what we have here, we have a example sheet, yeah? And then in this example sheet, let's go to this one. Okay, so you can see we have like different products, and then you can basically track their BSRs over time, yeah? So that's what you can do. All right, so how do we do this? Let me just show you how it works. If you come here, I actually put this, I'll put this in the description, the blueprint, but let's just do it like this. I'm gonna run this and then you can see how it works. So it should work like this. You have the, okay, so let me just, this airplane thing is going too fast. But you take the sheet, okay, or sorry, you have, after you've scraped the data, yeah, you take the data and then you add a column, right? You add a column to your sheet, and then after that, a new column has been added. We take the name of that new column, yeah. Let's see if I can stop this airplane thing. No, never mind then. So you add a new column and then you take the name of that column, you parse it because we need that to actually show our Google Sheets module later on where to fill in the data, yeah? So we will add a column. Let's just run this and I'll show you. Okay. Oh yeah, this is connected now. So we're gonna put the actual, one second. Okay, so we need to put the data set here and then later connect it back. So we're gonna use this one right there. Okay, so Appify dataset, yeah. So we're gonna go to our Appify. I've already tested over, I don't know, like 7 scrapers, and I was considering to build my own scraper because of some problems I'm not gonna get into. But basically, scrapers, when you give them a bunch of websites or links to scrape, you give them an order, and I was expecting that I'm gonna get that output order, but because they want to save on CPU and RAM costs when they're running their scrapers, and not every link is always available, so they're like kind of randomly trying these different links. So I found a way to sort the data and then map them to the order that I had, and it was completely random. But anyways, let's not get into that for now. So I already have scraped here. This was from yesterday. So we're gonna go inside, go to storage, and then copy this, yeah? So that should be the data that we have. Let's put that there. Okay, so now we're gonna run this, and I hope you can see here. So it's appending a new column, so you can see here it has appended this new column, and now it's reading the full range. It's saying what's the last column, yeah? And it should be 380 something 6. So let's say, and here we parse it, so it's NT, that's the last column, that's correct. And then now we are adding the scraped values to these columns, so it should fill down here. There you go, it's been added, and the green trend says that it's been getting better rank, which means lower, and red should be higher. And now it's actually inserting the values, finished. There you go. Now it also copied the formulas, which is basically taking the minimum BSR of our products. And yeah. All right, let me show you here what we have done basically. So we just scraped a bunch of values, we added them to our sheet, and then after that we have basically automated a full process that would take 2 or 3 hours every single day, and we just did all of that manually. Yeah, so this is something that took me a long time to build, but it's worth it, and I'll put the blueprints down below for you. I hope this serves you well, and join our Reddit group. I just started it, so we're gonna grow this very soon. Time Hackers Lab on Reddit, and yeah, check out this other video, and see you there. Bye.